In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Twitch buffering on Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. If you're watching a Twitch stream and constantly dealing with buffering, lag, or interruptions, it can quickly ruin the viewing experience. Buffering issues can occur for a variety of reasons, including browser settings, network congestion, cached data, or hardware acceleration conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple checks that can help improve Twitch performance on Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Open a few websites or stream another video to confirm that your connection is working properly. If other online content is also buffering, the issue may be related to your network rather than Twitch itself. Another helpful step is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored website data can become outdated or corrupted, which may affect how Twitch loads and performs. Open your browser settings, locate the Privacy or Browsing Data section, and clear the cached files and cookies. Afterward, restart the browser and try the stream again. If you're using browser extensions, particularly ad blockers, privacy tools, or video-related extensions, temporarily disable them and test Twitch again. Some extensions can interfere with video playback or prevent certain Twitch resources from loading correctly. You should also check whether hardware acceleration is enabled in your browser settings. In some cases, enabling it improves video performance, while in others, disabling it resolves playback issues. Locate the hardware acceleration setting in your browser, change its current state, restart the browser, and see if buffering improves. Make sure your browser is fully updated as well. Browser updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility enhancements that can help streaming platforms run more smoothly. If you're connected through a VPN or proxy service, try temporarily disconnecting it. Routing traffic through additional servers can sometimes increase latency and cause buffering during live streams. Finally, close unnecessary applications and browser tabs that may be consuming bandwidth or system resources. Streaming video requires both network capacity and available processing power, so reducing background activity can help Twitch perform better. By working through these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve many of the most common causes of Twitch buffering and enjoy a smoother viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.